everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of vocabulary and grammar part of chapter number 1, the fun they had. So the first question is rectify the error in the passage. So first of all I'm going to read the passage for you. So the number 1, the inspector has smiled before he was finished and patted Margie's hand. He said her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. The geography sector is geared a little too quick." So now I have underlined the errors, and then what you have to do, you have to write the error in the first column and then correction in the second column. So the first error is has, okay, and the correction is had. Second error is before, the correction is after. Third error is hand, the correction is head. Fourth error is said, and the correction is said to. Fifth error is girl, and the correction is girls. And sixth error is, and the correction is was. So number 2 now, Margie went in the classroom. It was quite next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was off and waiting for her. It was never on at the same time every day, without Saturday and Sunday. So the first error is in, correction is into. Second error is quite, correction is right. Third error is off, correction is on. Fourth error is never, correction is always. Fifth error is a, correction is the. Sixth error is without, and the correction is except. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct words given in the bracket. Write the answers only. See what we have to do. You are given some options in the brackets, and there is a paragraph below it, and there is a blank space given. So you have to choose the correct option, okay, or choose the correct word for this for the blank spaces. So the passage is, the words are awfully, crinkly, moving, turn. And the passage is, they dashed the pages which were yellow and dash, and it was dash funny to read the words that stood still instead of dash the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. So answer A, turned, B, crinkly, C, awfully, and D, moving. Now number 2, the options are blanked, nearly, disappointed, altogether. And the paragraph is, Margie was dash, she had been hoping they would take the teacher away, dash. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for dash a month because the history sector had dash out completely. So the answers are A, disappointed, B, altogether, C, nearly, D, blanked. Now question number 3. Choose the correct articles, conjunctions and prepositions from the bracket and complete the following passage. So the passage is, Margie went dash the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom, dash. The mechanical teacher was on and waiting, dash her. It was always on at dash same time every day, dash Saturday and Sunday. Because her mother said little girls learn better, dash they learn at a regular hours. So you have to choose the correct form of article, conjunction and preposition and fill the blank spaces given. So the answers are A, into, B and C for, D, the, E, except, and F, if. Now number 2, they turned the pages, dash were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words, dash stood still instead of moving, dash way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then dash they turned back, dash the page before it had, dash same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. So the answers are A, which, B, that, C, the, D, when, E, to, F, the. Now next question number 4, punctuate the following text. So number 1, G said, Tommy, what a waste when you are thought with the book you just throw it away, I guess. So the answer is you have to put the commas and full stop. Put double inverted comma on G, then comma, said Tommy, comma, then again inverted comma, what a waste, full stop. Then when you are through with the book, comma, you just throw it away, a comma, I guess. So now what a waste, put close the double inverted comma after waste. Okay, now in my house, number 2, in my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic, what's it about? School. So now the answer is, put double inverted comma on in my house, then he pointed without looking, comma, because he was busy reading, full stop. Then again into double inverted comma, in the attic, full stop. Then again into double inverted comma, what's it about, question mark. And then school, put double inverted commas on school. So this was the solution of question number 5. Now question number 6. Actually I haven't found the answers of question number 5. Once I will find it, so I will drop it in the description box. Okay, so now question number 6. Do as directed. First one, Tommy found a real book. Change the voice. So your answer is, what an old book it was. Then number 2, what a waste. Turn into assertive. It was a great waste. Then Margie hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Change the degree. Your answer is, Tommy had seen many telebooks than Margie. Number 4, those things happen sometimes. Add a question tag. Those things happen sometimes, don't they? Then number 5, they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Use since. Since the history teacher blanked out completely, they had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Now writing section. And question number 1, you are learning in a smart class in your school. You are very happy learning with the help of these electronic devices. You want to share this experience with your friend studying in a town place school. He does not know anything about this kind of learning. Draft an email sharing your experience with him or her. So now the answer is, the format is from to CC and subject. So you can write email IDs according to yourself, or you can change the name, and the subject is experience of studying at town place school, and the content is, the body is, hello Poonam, hope you and your parents are doing well. Please give me a vivid update on how you have settled in Mumbai. Well, I wanted to share my experience in my new school. I am really excited to tell you that my new school has smart classes. Not only we are studying by books, but also we are mastering the electronic devices. Every class has a projector and all the classes has AC. I am very happy and proud to study in this school. Cheers, Shalini. Now, question number 2. Most of the students and visitors of your school park their vehicle in front of main gate of your school. You are head boy or girl of school. The principal has drawn this to your attention. Prepare a notice in about 50 words for the student to stop this practice with immediate effect. So the answer is, the format is, first you have to mention the date. So the date I have mentioned today's date, 31st July 2021. Dear students, I, the head girl of the school, wants to inform all students and the visitors not to park their vehicle in front of the school main gate, as it causes a lot of problem to the school. To the students who come walking alone, to the school buses which need to enter into the school, etc. Most of the students are late to school just because they don't find it easy to overcome all those vehicles. So don't park vehicles in front of द स्कूल. ठीक है, मेक करेक्शन ओवर योर व्हीकल्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्कूल head girl. So this was the solution of vocabulary and grammar part. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.